Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to share screen with sound on Google Meet. So if you want to present a screen, maybe you want to show a video or maybe something that has a sound, so you also want the sound to be enabled and others can listen. So I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to go to a browser and search for Google Meet or just Meet. You will get the link for Google Meet. Open it up and make sure you're logged in with your Gmail account. Then it would not ask you for sign in. Then you have to simply create an instant meeting. Or if you have already a part of a meeting, just simply join it. And it will ask you for your microphone and camera. Make sure you have allowed it to use your microphone. Just simply allow it, and in the settings you can also enable it. Once you have joined the meeting, then simply click onto this share screen option, and after that share your screen. You can click onto entire screen, select the screen, and after that you have to simply share it. And once you have shared it, you will also be able to share your audio. But before that, you have to make sure it. You have to click onto the three dots, click on settings, and once the setting gets open, you have to simply go to this audio section, and there you have to select the stereo mix. If you have this option selected, that's the only option through which it can be done. If you don't have it, then for that reason you have to go to the settings of your system. Once you get there, on the left side you will have to click on to the option which is the system, and after that you have to click on sound. Once you get there, scroll down a bit and you will see the option for more option or maybe advanced option. You have to scroll down and you will see this option. Click onto it. As you click onto it, then this will open, and from the top you have to go to the recording and make sure this option is enabled. If not, you will have to right click onto it and click on enable and just simply enable it. Click on OK, get back to Google Meet, and then the stereo option will be there. Just simply enable it. Now you will be able to share your audio whichever is in your screen. Like if you're presenting your screen and there's any sort of video or music or anything, the other person will also be able to listen that as well along with your screen sharing. So that's how you can share screen with sound on Google Meet. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.